Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 477. Concatenate non-zero digits and we have to multiply by sum, right? So let's read the problem statement. So in this problem you are given an integer n. We have to form a new integer x by concatenating all the non-zero digits of n in their original order, right? So all the non-zero digits, that is nothing but 1 2 3 4, right? If there are no non-zero digits, right, then x is equal to 0, right? Done. Let sum be the sum of digits in the x, right? So x is nothing but concatenating all the non-zero digits. So what is the sum of all these? 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, right? Done. We have to return an integer representing the value of x into sum. So output is 1 2 3 4 into 10 is nothing but 1 2 3 4 0. That's it. Clear? The non-zero digits are 1 2 3 and 4. Thus x is equal to this. The sum of digits is sum is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Therefore, the answer is x into sum. 1 2 3 4 into 10. 1 2 3 4 0. That's it. Clear? Now see this example number 2. So x is equal to 1 in this case, and sum is also equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. That's it. The non-zero digit is 1, so x is equal to 1 and sum is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is x into sum. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. And these are the constants, right? Very easy, right? Now how I am going to solve this problem? Let's see that. Okay, so this is your number, right? 10203004, right? So do one thing. 10203004, right? So if you take the modulus of this number with the 10, right? So if you divide this number with the 10, right, so you are going to get something like this in the end, and you will see the remainder as 4, right? So if you multiply 10 with 10203000, you are going to get this as the output, and if you calculate the remainder, you are going to get 4, right? So remainder is always going to give us the last digit, right? So if I ask you that tell me what is the remainder of and 92 divided by 10, so you are going to say that the remainder of this one is 2. So we are always going to get the last digit, right? Very easy, right? So if I told you to divide 89 with 10, so you are going to get 9 as the remainder. So this 9 is nothing but the last digit, right? So in this way I am always going to get the last digit, right? So in this case I'm going to get 4 as my remainder, let's say my last digit. And my new number, I will always get my new number when I divide this with the 10, right? So here I get remainder, right, last digit. Now only left is this 9, so I'm going to get 9 here now in the top part. Same way here, 89 divided by 10, so I will get 9 as the remainder, which is nothing but last digit. The remaining portion is 8, so 8 is here now. So my new number is going to be n divided by 10, and the remainder is nothing but n modulus with 10, right? So this is how I'm going to get the remainder, and this is how I'm going to get the new number, right? So once I get the remainder, right, once I get the remainder, right, this 4, now after that I need to make sure na, that if this remainder is not equal to 0. So if my remainder is not equal to 0, in that case what I need to do? In that case, first thing I have to keep track of the sum of all these non-zero digits, right? So definitely I'm going to update my sum, right? I'm going to update my sum, right, if this is the case. Also, first time I am going to get 4, right? Next time I am going to get digit 3. So sum is very easy, right? Whenever remainder is not equal to 0, the previous sum is 4. In that 4, just add 3, you are going to get 7. The next time you will get 2, so 7 plus 2. That is very easy. But how you are going to form this number? How you are going to concatenate this number, right? So what you need to do here, for very first time, right? So I can write it like this: 4 into 1 plus 0, right? Current number, let's say 0. So this is my nothing but current, and this one is nothing but for very first time I'm seeing this. non-zero digit, right? So 1 I'm writing. So what I'm going to get? I'm getting 4 only, right? Next time when you will see 3, so what is going to happen? D, it's the second digit that you are seeing, right? So what you need to do, just previous time my D is 1, so update the place value of this. So D is equal to D into 10, so you are going to get 10, right? So now next time what is going to happen? Next time your new number is 3, right? So this is nothing but remainder, and this is nothing but cur, so you are always going to update the cur like this, right? So next time your cur is going to be total cur value. Total cur value is nothing but 4 last time, so I'm writing 4 here, and new remainder is this 3, which is no 0, right? 3 into, and new place value is 10, so 3 into 10 plus 4, you are going to get 34, right? 34 is the new cur. So this is the logic actually I'm going to apply. So now next time when you see 2, so now 2 into 100 you will do, right? These always I'm multiplying with 10, right? So then plus cur, so you are going to get 234, right? And when you reach here, so 1 into 1000, right? 10 100 into 10 plus 234, so you are going to get 1000 plus 234, that is 1234, right? So this is how you are going to maintain this, right? And sum is very easy to calculate, and in the end what you have to do, multiply this with the overall sum, that's it. So this is going to be my approach, right? So if you want, you can try it by yourself. I'm moving to the code part now, right? So see, very easy. Sum of digits is 0 initially, filter number is 0 initially, and place value I'm going to start with 1, that is D, right? For very first digit it's going to 1, right? So here, while n is greater than 0, so digit, so here I'm just going to calculate the remainder, and this is the new number, right? And if my remainder is not equal to 0, so sum of digits is very easy to calculate. And this I told you na, filter number, cur number. So I told you na how you are going to operate your cur as this. If you, it is your cur, this is nothing but your D. So I told you na that you have to do digit into place value. Place value, this digit is nothing but the remainder, right? So here if I just write it like this na, remainder into place value is D, right? And plus cur. So this is the format that I've explained above, right? So this is how you are going to operate, and you are always going to multiply your digit place value is nothing but digit, right, with 10, right, for the next number. And in the end, what you need to do, your filtered number into sum of digits, right? Total sum and the number, new number, that's it. So this is the code for this, right? Clear? So I hope that you guys are able to understand question number 1 of weekly contest 477. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.